Shape tool. Here you can use shapes for your design, and also you can change all the parameters of each and individual shapes. With this we have custom shapes also, where you can modify color, stroke. Here you can see I am drawing all the shapes: rounded rectangle, polygon, ellipse, rectangle, star, line, custom shapes also. For all the shapes including custom shapes, you can change color, you can change fill color and stroke color also. In the right side you can see layer panel, so where you can create new layer, edit layer, delete layer, hide layer, lock layer. Layers are very important in this software. Each and everything depends on layers only. Topmost layer appear in front of all image, and also you can hide and unlock individual layers, and also you can move layers up and down. By double clicking on layer, you can find layer styles. Here you can add effect to your image such as drop shadow, stroke, pattern, gradient overlay, inner stroke, outer stroke, emboss, etc.